Hello, Philippines!
Hi, we're here at Light Ferries in Zamboanga, going to Dapitan. Let's go. Light Ferries offers a trip from Cebu to Dapitan City. You will have to pay 710 for the air-conditioned tourist cabin. Welcome to 24 hours travel to Zamboanga del Norte featuring Dapitan and Dipolog City. I decided to ride the light ferries in Zamboanga because it offers the shortest trip to the province of Zamboanga del Norte. Hi! We're at Nipaan, Lugdungan.
Wow!
Joshua, guys. Good afternoon. Uncle, good afternoon.
Dipolog is a third-class component city and the capital of Zamboanga del Norte. It is really nice to meet my family in Zamboanga del Norte, and it's fun to have bonding with the kids in the farm. We ate and have fun together, and most of all, we have pictures taken together. After the farm bonding, we decided to explore Dapitan and Dipolog City. First stop is Linabu Peak, or also known as the 3,003 Steps. Then of course, we went to Rizal Park and Shrine in Dapitan City where Jose Rizal was exiled. It really is an amazing experience to see the disembarkation shrine of Jose Rizal in Dapitan City. It's so nice and beautiful. Careful, careful, ma. Yay! Auntie Annie. If you are exploring Dapitan City with your family, especially with your kids, then Glorious Fantasyland is for you. It has an all-in package with unlimited rides and shows worth 1,000 pesos for adults and 500 pesos for kids who are 4 feet below. This Glorious Fantasyland offers free shuttle services in Dapitan and Dipolog City.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you never leave me.
We had a delicious dinner here at Dipolog City. Imagine that, we are so many, but we only paid almost 3,000 pesos. I think the price is really reasonable.
Sigurado bang kay mahala na sila ba sila magpa-picture ba?
Welcome to Viewpoint at Tinindugan, Sergio Osmeña Sr., Zamboanga del Norte. It has the most beautiful mountain view and of course the Masapak Falls from a distance. To enjoy the view, you will have to pay for the entrance fee, and of course, they will lend you their umbrellas.
It's so beautiful here.
Next stop is this Nicas Ridge, which is also a perfect place for you to enjoy Filipino cuisine.
Welcome to the
Public market. If you visit Dipolog City, you should not forget to buy the famous salted dried fish in the public market. It's one of the most delicious dried fish you'll ever taste in your whole life. A little glance at Dipolog's Boulevard. KTV is only difficult at the beginning, but when everyone starts singing, it's gonna be non-stop. Like Taiwanese people, Filipinos really love to sing. In Dipolog City, they also have tricycles as their means of public transportation. As recommended by the locals, I went to the city mall. I think this is also perfect for the family and most especially for the kids. After the fun city tour, it's time to swim here at the Royal Farm. To enjoy the facilities, you will have to pay for the entrance fee. They have swimming pools for the adults and they also have for the kids.
Trying.
Another happy time with the family, and we enjoyed a lot of photos inside the Royal Farm.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, mother.
A happy early birthday celebration for my mom because we're gonna be leaving soon from Dipolog to Dapitan and then Dapitan to Cebu. We are at Dipolog's Boulevard, and this is the place where families and friends go for a picnic or enjoy the sunset. My Filipino Taiwanese kids really enjoy their time in Dapitan and Dipolog City. Let's go! Next stop is Cebu.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you in Taiwan.
After 6 hours, we're already in Cebu. And we're so lucky because during the trip, we were with the Senior Santo Niño. By the way, if you want a ticket for this trip, you have to go to the ticketing booth because they don't accept pre-booking. I hope they're gonna have their website someday so it's gonna be more convenient for the passengers from Cebu to Dapitan and vice versa. Thank you for protecting us, Senior Santo Niño. Remember, travel while you can. If you want to know more about the Filipinos here in Taiwan, please don't forget to subscribe.